This is what we'll be creating today for free in Canva. And in the course of this video, I will be showing you how to get free mockups like this. So watch all the videos so you don't miss any important point. So to get started, you go up here where it says custom size, you click on it. Then you input your figure, 500 by 500. That's the dimension for a logo. And you see, if you start inputting, it's going to provide you a suggestion here, logo. So you just click on it. So when you are here now, we are not going to use anything premium here because you can see the suggestion, everything is talking about premium users. We are not going to use anything premium here. We'll be doing this for free. So you come to text, you click on it and you add a text. You make it real big. So after resizing very well, you just go now and you duplicate the page. You delete this text, you add the other text, you resize it also. As you are resizing, check this number here. You can see this number here is changing. You put it roughly the same number as the other one. See, this one is 300 and this one is 300. It's okay like that. You change their colors. You tap on it, you go to colors. Then after changing now like that, you go to the next text and you change the text color also. Then I'm just going to copy this and I paste it here. I want it to be interlocked as you saw. So to do that, watch very carefully, if not you are going to miss it. So what I have to do now is to export these two as transparent background. But don't worry, if you're not a pro user, I will show you how to do it for free. Now the reason why we have to download this is because I want to crop it. And since now it is an element instead of an image, I cannot crop it. Because you see, I cannot crop it. So I have to convert this now to an image, and to do that, you have to download it. So that's what we'll be doing now. So all you have to do is to come here where it says export, download, you choose PNG, and you take on transparent background. Now if you download the two, it's going to be a zip file. That's going to be a lot of work to extract it. I'm just going to download it separately. Now if you are not a pro user, this is what you do. You download a JPEG or any how you want it. Just choose. Then when it is downloaded now, here's what you will do. You visit this website, remove BG. It's totally free. You don't even have to create a website. You don't even have to create an account. You just drop in your image and it's going to remove the background for you as you have seen. Then you can now download it for free as you have seen. So you don't need to pay anything. So you can do this thing for free. That's what I've just shown you now. Then when you download, you continue the tutorial. So I'll go again to the next page and I'll just download very quickly. So after downloading, you can just go ahead now and you can just delete it. Then you import now what you have downloaded. You just drag and you drop it like that and it will be imported. Then you add it now to the canvas. You resize it again. Now since this is an image, you can easily crop it. As you can see, that's what I wanted. And I'm going to copy the two and I position it in the middle. I enlarge it. I want to bring this edge in front. To do that, you right click, you go to layers, show layers, and you bring it to front. Now here is where the magic happens. Follow closely. Now a very good practice is always duplicate your page when you want to make an important change. So as we have this now like this, we are just going to duplicate the page. You right click on the letter, you duplicate it, you position it. It's going to snap. If you cannot notice the real position, it's going to snap. You bring it in front, it's already in front. When you duplicate it, it's already in front. Now you're going to crop it. You see? When you copy now like that, it's going to have that effect. The same thing with this edge. I want it to be broken here. So the same thing with the edge. You duplicate it. It's already in front now. It's going to snap. You tap on it. So you see, you have something like that. If you're not happy with the position, you can always go back and you arrange it again. But I think that is okay. I want to make another important change. I duplicate it again, duplicate the page. So this is what I'll use. You click on it. You right click on it, you send it to back. I want to have the same color with this arrow. So to do that, you tap on it, you come to color, and you already have colors here. Then I want to add the window now. You come to element. To add that window effect, you come to element, you search for window, you come to graphics. This is it. You resize it nicely and you position it. Change the color also to the color of the edge. So you see, that is it. Now, as you saw for this window, I used by a premium element, but you can easily create it. To create this, you just come to where it says tools, shapes. You just pick up a shape like that and you resize it. You duplicate it. You position, you duplicate. You get the idea. You duplicate. So you see, you have already created again your own shape for free. So you can do all these things totally for free. That's why I'm just showing you like that. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe. Now, when all that is done, I want to add now the text. I want it to have the same color as the arrow. You go to text color. And I want this one also to have the color as the... So that is it. You resize it nicely. Position it now in the middle. Now I'm going to show you how to add that mockup as you saw in the intro for free. So make sure you continue watching. So when it is done now, you come to share and you download it still as a PNG, transparent background, because we're going to be using that mockup. But I'm not a pro user, you can download this as a JPEG and you use the method I've shown you earlier to remove the background. So now to have our logo on a mockup, you have to visit this website, Photopea. It's totally free. You don't even need to create an account. You just click there like that. You come to where it says template. We're going to be using the free templates inside Photopea. Follow closely so you don't make any mistake here now. Allow it to load. So as you can see, these are all free mockups that you can use. They're already inside. You can search the one you want to use. Anyone you want to use, you can use it. It's totally free. But for this video, I'm just going to go with this one. So you just hover over it and then you click on it once. When it opens now like this, you come to ssphotopea.com. You click on it once. Please follow closely. It's going to load. As you can see now, it has loaded. You come where it says your logo here. You are going to double click on this file here. You double click on it. When you double click now on it like that, the image is still showing. You just go this icon here. You just tap on it once. It's going to be hitting. Now you go in and you bring in your logo that you have already created in Canva. You arrange it the size you want. Now you come to file. Up here in this left section, file, save as smart object. You click it once. And you see it has been converted now to a smart object. And now you come to where it says black wall logo. Up here, like this is the left section. You click it again once. And as you can see, that is our logo. If you don't like the size, you can still just go back and you enlarge it. Now if you want to download it, you come to where it says file, export as. You can export in all of this format. It's totally free. As you can see, I've not even created an account here. Just time you click on it, I want to click download as a PNG. Please, if you are enjoying the video so far, like, comment, drop in the comment section any tutorial you want me to do. I'm going to do it. And now you just come and you click on save, and it's going to be downloaded as you have seen. You come now to your folder and you can view it. As you can see, this is your logo.